In a tranquil ashram, ancient Indian mathematicians and modern big data analysts come together. The air is filled with the scent of incense and the hum of laptops. Manuscripts of old and sleek devices sit side by side, symbolizing a bridge between eras. This gathering of minds sparks a dialogue that transcends time, exploring the mysteries of numbers and patterns. The chalkboard is filled with ancient Indian numerals, while a holographic data visualization floats in the air. The mathematicians and analysts discuss the nature of patterns, how they appear in nature, in numbers, and in data. The room buzzes with curiosity as they explore the shared language of mathematics that connects their worlds. A lotus flower blooms, symbolizing the concept of emptiness, while a digital zero glows on a screen. The ancient mathematicians explain the philosophical depth of zero, the void from which all creation emerges. The analysts listen intently, realizing how this ancient concept underpins modern computing and data science. A flowchart of a modern algorithm is projected, while an ancient manuscript displays complex mathematical formulas. The analysts demonstrate how algorithms detect patterns in vast datasets, while the mathematicians nod in recognition, seeing echoes of their ancient methods in this modern art of calculation. An ancient dice game is played on a wooden board, while a modern probability graph is displayed on a screen. The group discusses how probability has evolved, from predicting outcomes in games to forecasting trends in data. The dance of chance and certainty becomes a shared fascination. A sage meditates deeply, while a data analyst stares at a screen, both lost in thought. The conversation shifts from numbers to philosophy. Do patterns hold inherent meaning, or are they merely tools? The room grows quiet as they ponder the deeper questions that unite their disciplines. The starry sky is filled with mathematical equations, glowing softly against the night. The ancient mathematicians describe mathematics as the language of the cosmos, a universal code that transcends time and space. The analysts gaze upward, feeling a profound connection to this timeless truth. A scale symbolizing balance stands in the center of the room, while a data dashboard glows in the background. The group discusses the ethical implications of using data to predict human behavior. The conversation grows intense as they weigh the power of knowledge against the responsibility it carries. A bridge connects the ashram to a modern office, symbolizing the convergence of ancient and modern wisdom. The mathematicians and analysts find common ground, realizing that their approaches are not so different after all. The dialogue ends with a sense of unity and mutual respect. A timeline stretches across the room, showcasing key milestones from ancient India to modern data science. The group reflects on the enduring impact of mathematical discoveries, realizing that the legacy of numbers will continue to shape the future. The dialogue concludes with a sense of awe and inspiration.